Good morning!
Good morning!
We are on our way
to
finally get coffee. It's what time?
12:14.
Oh, it's so overdue. 12:14. Gotta get coffee. I have to get breakfast. I'm starving. She's gonna also eat too. We need to keep her accountable because she doesn't eat.
Yeah,
and it's really
bad about it.
Yeah, this mask is so annoying. I'm wearing a very thick scarf. It's cold, but it's not that bad.
It's more on the windy side.
Yeah, it's like pretty windy.
There's more wind, and that's I think what hits more because it's not as cold as yesterday.
No, not right now.
Yeah,
It could be later.
yeah, maybe when we get to the
Don't
city.
know. Yeah. So, yeah, we're here, Brooklyn again. I actually kind of like it. It's pretty fun.
She likes my hometown.
Yeah, it's cool. So things that we're doing today is
Coffee.
coffee number 1, 2.
A knee brace.
Okay, so I am older now, I guess,
Let's go.
and yeah, I'm needing some support on my knee. It's been bothering me. I don't know if it was the shoes or what the heck, but it's a problem. And she needs ankle bracelets.
I need ankle support.
Yeah, we are, doing this, so we'll see. We'll catch you up. We'll see.
My ankles have always given problems.
Really?
Yeah, because I used to dance.
Oh, what is that for?
A bumper. Part.
Bumper, so you don't hit them. That's actually cool. Oh, that's kind of genius, actually.
Yeah?
But yeah, so you'll see the places we go to. For sure, we're gonna go to this new place called The Edge.
The vessel.
Oh, the Vessel. The Edge is in Manhattan, is it?
Yeah. Upper town.
Yeah. This lighting is not helping. Okay, there we go. Yeah, and then we're also going to try to see, was it the park?
Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh yes. So
Oh,
definitely.
actually no, I'm sorry. The vessel. Trump Tower, Central Park, Brooklyn Bridge, the pier, Dumbo Street.
But we're not doing a lot, Not at all. Not at all in the
It's like,
slightest.
might as well.
We'll see. We'll see if we die. You're gonna get our
See what we make
roll
it to.
footage. But yeah. Coffee first. So if you're in New York, don't bring your boombox on the subway. No, no, no. wind is really cold.
It is.
We made it to this thing. Now we're gonna.
This is
go
the
up.
vessel.
No?
The vessel.
Oh yeah. I was gonna say the edge.
It looks like an egg, but it's the vessel.
Yeah.
And then the edge is right in front of it.
It's right there. Alright. See what this happened?
I just choked on something.
How's the wind?
The wind. Okay, so it feels like. Have you seen that movie
There's a lot of movies.
where Manhattan floods?
The what?
That Manhattan floods? Dude, where's my
Oh
mask?
yes. The day after tomorrow or something?
Yeah, okay, that's what it feels like it would feel on the day.
Where's your mask?
I lost my mask, dude. Oh, okay, I got one.
It's very windy. My ear is starting to hurt.
My body fluids.
Oh.
I just
Running.
I don't know what to call it. It's hard.
It is very cold. It's not actually. It's not that cold. It's just very windy.
The wind is very painful.
Yeah, I need to put this on.
Like it just swings at your body. Tears are coming down.
Yeah. It's real. It's real. Okay, we're gonna go.
We're gonna try.
Go.
I don't know how high we're going. Oh wait, they're taking a picture.
Oh. Where?
Or they're watching the picture.
I don't know what's happening. Okay, we're going to break. Also, my hands are numb. I can't feel them anymore. But I don't want to
But
put
it's a
gloves
hassle.
on. Yes.
It's a hassle putting on the gloves, taking out the phone.
Because I can't click it. It's supposed to be.
It's stunning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we are climbing.
Actually, yeah, we have to. With my foot broken or not, we got to. Wind, 17 miles per hour.
Oh.
And how cold is it in New York? Oh. It's 52, but it feels like, I don't know, like 30.
It feels like it's 30s.
Because it's so windy.
It's hitting really hard.
It's really windy. We couldn't